to download YouTube videos into your PC. First thing first, you get into your PC YouTube, then search the video which you want to download. I myself want to download a music file, so I will click the music file. After clicking the music file, so I will click in order to download this file. I can download it even if there is no download option in this music, so I will click the share option and then copy the link in this video. Then I can come and expand the tab here. After expanding the tab, I will search YouTube to MP4 for converter. After searching this, I will prefer for now you use the YouTube MP4 converter with a heart emoji in your PC, high quality 720 MP for free. This one here, click it, then come and paste the link which you want to download the video link here, then click start. After clicking start, I myself want a higher resolution, so I will choose the 720 resolution. I click download, and that is it. So the video is now downloading in my PC. So my internet is a bit slow, so it can take some time, but when it downloads, it will get into my PC, and that is how you can easily download a video from YouTube to your PC for free using your laptop. So let me see. So it is already downloaded into my PC. We can come here into our PC, up to our download option, and the video is located here above. We have downloaded it now. It is into our PC, so you see that our video file is now downloaded, and that is it. So don't forget to give this video a thumb up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss out any of my future content like this. Thank you.